Interest rate has just dropped and the market is already reacting fast. If you're thinking about selling or maybe buying your first home, this market shift can make you thousands of dollars or lost opportunities if you don't act quickly. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest ways the real estate market has been shifting and also what you're gonna need to do to take an advantage before everybody else. Hello everyone, my name is Amit Amshalom, local Portland realtor. I help buyers and sellers to navigate through this market. And today in this video, we're gonna talk about one of the most impactful events that happened this year, and that is the mortgage rates. So the mortgage rates finally went down, and this shift is shaking a little bit the market, obviously with demand, pricing, and also competition. So let's get into it and see how exactly it's changing the real estate landscape and what it's meaning for you as well. Number one is the buyer demand is surging again. So the first thing we saw as the interest rate has dropped is that the buyer activity has been increased and there is more buyers looking out there because they want to buy for the lower rate before it will go up again. Even a small drop in the rate from 7.5 to 6.75 can be a big difference for a buyer. It can be hundreds of dollars every month in mortgage payments, so that can be a big impact for buyers. And that also increases the affordability for people that were waiting on the sidelines. Right now they have a better opportunity to get into the house they actually want and able to afford right now. We already see also more showing requests, more traffic in open houses, and also in some areas for specific more houses, also the multiple offers is coming back slowly. And why does that matter? More buyers equals more demand equal higher sale price. So if you're considering of selling your property, right now can be a really great chance for you. And why is that? Because a lot of buyers starting to re-enter to the market. There is a lot of people looking out there and still a lot of sellers waiting. So if you're gonna take action right now and put your house for sale versus waiting, you have much more chance to be more unique, less competition, and sell for a higher price. Number two, home prices are starting to stabilize and also raise a little bit. One of the biggest effects when the interest rate is dropping down, we can see that the home prices is starting to go up again. When buyers can afford more, they want to pay even a little bit more. So in most of the neighborhoods, so this pushes the prices upwards, especially in specific neighborhoods where the inventory is limited. We are already seeing homes that were sitting on the market for a little bit, starting to get offers and already go pending and sell. So why does that matter? Because if you're thinking about selling right now, it can be a really good opportunity to sell for top dollar before the next wave gonna hit and there's gonna be a lot of competition for you as a seller. Number three, the competition is heating up again. So when the rates are dropping down, it's not just bring a lot of buyers to the market, it also bring a competition as of sellers. Homes that used to get maybe 1 or 2 offers, now they can receive a little bit more because there is more competition from buyers. And homes that are priced well and correctly and moving ready, they're selling fast and for much more money. Even fixer-upper homes are selling for much faster and much higher because buyers has increased their affordability and they have much more options right now. A special tip, if you are a seller right now, you have a great opportunity to put your house on the market before all the competition will arrive. If you're gonna do it correctly with a great price and amazing marketing strategy, your house will sell fast and for top dollar and maybe even more than what you're gonna be asking for. Number four is investors are back to the market. So the lower interest rates means that the investor has a better chance to cash flow because the ROI gonna be much better. Many investors that put the pause on during the high rates time right now re-entering the market. And when you have an investor, most of them come with cash buyer or strong pre-approval letters, which making the offers really aggressive and appealing. And why does that matter? Because more investors equals more demand, which equals more activity, more competition for you as a seller. Even though if the investor's offer may not be 100% what you like, but it can help you drag up a different offer that may be more appealing for you. So every potential buyer helps. And number 5, timing right now can be much more profitable than spring. So the number 1 advantage that you have right now is the timing. Most homeowners believe that spring is the best time to sell, and traditionally it is. But if you're gonna continue see the rates keep dropping down, a lot of sellers gonna just put the house on the market. There's gonna be a lot of competition, which may drag the prices a little bit down. More listings equal more competition equals a soft market. Right now, the inventory is still a little bit low and the buyer demand is rising. So which is giving for you as a seller to be in the driver's seats and be in a better position. So the bottom line is, if you're gonna sell right now, will mean that you can sell it for more money, faster, maybe have even some multiple offers before all the rush of spring. Bonus tip, maximize your sell with these 2 things that you need to do. Number 1 is pre-listing prep. You need to make sure that your house is look nice. If you need to do some painting, clean professionally, make sure if you need some staging to make the house more appealing and welcoming for people that gonna come and see the house. Declutter and depersonalize your house. Make it as natural as possible. Second thing you need to do is strategic pricing. Not all of the sellers want to do that because they're afraid that they will leave money on the table, but actually it will not happen. What you can do is price it a little bit below the market value to increase demand to the property and get a lot of attention and people inside the door and get multiple offer situation that will get your sell price higher. So here is the bottom line. The lower mortgage rates is transforming the real estate market right now. There's more buyers out there right now, and the sellers that are going to take the advantage out of it and put the house on the market right now may maximize their profits before the springtime. If you're thinking about selling your home in the next 6 months or so, when you're just curious how much your house can sell in today's market, reach out to me today and we can schedule a free consultation, and together we can see what will be the highest price your house will sell in today's market. It will be absolutely for free. I will leave you my contact in the description below. You can call me, email me, text me. We can book the free consultation. If you have any questions, comments, put them in the comments as well. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.